The event was fantastic. It was organized well as per the schedule, and I think people after a long time met each other at this venue, and it's an eventful event. And what should I say? I don't have any words to express the.
So you were not part of Diamond Club last year.
Yeah.
You were sure that you will be winning it this year?
Absolutely, proper management, proper skillful people in the team, with a route, with a direction, and with a goal, with an aim to achieve it. I think this is possible, and it should be a cakewalk for the team to definitely aim for 2021 Diamond Club.
Awesome, sir. Awesome to hear that. Thank you. How much you
10
will,
and I 10 out of 10.
on the PPS experience?
PPS experience is really good.
Okay, sir.
And in the past, after Ranga sir has come,
Okay.
it is a complete different story. And we sales as well as service, we are working as a team. There is no difference at all. That is the main difference which I had found in the recent times.
Okay, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
My feeling was very good, and this event was fabulous, I can say.
Okay.
And it was an amazing experience to working with PPS, and Alhamdulillah we have reached to Diamond Club. Hope we'll try for every 3 months we'll reach to Diamond Club as per my CEO sir said, Ranga sir said. So inshallah we'll reach to Diamond Club, we'll try our best, we'll give our best,
Okay.
and we'll give the best and best to PPS Motors, and we'll support to our higher management. As we got to know from the Ranga sir that we can achieve, as he has given many examples of the lively experience with him in Chicago and all. So we are willing to do. One day I am also willing, it's my dream to become like my CEO sir.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How was your experience with overall PPS Renault? You are also the part of team from June to December.
Yes.
And you are the part of the team that is winning the Diamond Club. What is your feeling about this?
First of all, I want to thank AMPL because AMPL given me an opportunity to work with the organization of PPS.
Okay.
And I'm very glad to be in the part of PPS Motors and in the success ratio of Diamond Club also. And it is very privileged, and we are very glad to be here in the Audi and celebrating this kind of everything provided by Ranga sir, and thank to Ranga sir also.
Taking up this legacy of Diamond Club in hand to the next year also.
Yes, we are taking it as a privilege, and it is we are taking it into a challenge for next coming years also, because recognition is there when we are doing the numbers, and we are very happy for this year everything, and we want to continue the same momentum for the next coming years also with the support of all the top management.
I would love to participate and give my 200% best, so that even me with my colleagues and everybody of PPS Motors, we should go further and step forward, and we should keep our best and do the next upcoming Diamond Clubs, like how we are going. Just now we had a small party type of thing that we have celebrated our 2020 Diamond Club ceremony. There we have got a very beautiful gift from Rangacharya sir. That was so precious that first time somebody have gifted for our achievement. So that became a very good motivation for us that we have to go further and achieve more. So this time we have got and go higher and higher as much as we can, and as much as our companies even supporting and friendly and very good motivating appreciations we do get from our managers and CEO and even our team leaders and colleagues. We do celebrate all the parties and all, so that we can get motivated and we go further.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you.
See, I have been to this organization, it's been more than a month now, and the system, the process, the momentum which is going on, and which is getting implemented, and the in a focused way by Ranga sir, his mission, and he is injecting his mission to each and every employee of and he is making everyone to feel the same, that it is their mission and they have to do it. Yes, it is our mission and we have to do it. So just by following the guidelines, set process, and with zero deviation, definitely we can be into the Diamond Club year on year.
eBay has been successfully won the prestigious award of Diamond Club, Reynolds Diamond Club. So by looking at this particularly, one thing I would just came to my mind is this. So this particular award, prestigious award, previously some of the other dealers are winning it. Now today we won and they have lost it. But I'm sure about it. Today I'm in a actually general since I'm winning it particularly, I'm going to be a relaxed mode because I got the prestigious award. But somebody has lost it. I'm sure that those people will be analyzing where are their that SWOT. They will be by this time they would have already done, might have done that the SWOT analysis where they went wrong and what are the things they have to do so that they can come back, and they will certainly bounce back in such a way that they will certainly again take back this Diamond Club award. So now it is my duty and my time, that is my duty to see that my team has to work double the way it is required. The energy levels has to be increased and then motivation level has to be improved in such a way that whatever I have done to get this award, I should do twice the or thrice the requirement, whatever is the double.
Coming into the picture now from the last 1 month, so what are the goals and targets that you want to set to your team to retain this award and taking this legacy forward?
Yeah. First of all, this is a great achievement by PPS Renault getting into the Diamond Club. It definitely had increased our job responsibility towards it, and we have got to sustain this award for future years also. So basically getting into a gold club or from a gold club to Diamond Club, so Diamond Club is like a biggest achievement for any dealership. So to sustain that, we need to be more customer centric, because there will be a lot of new rules will be implemented in giving the Diamond Club to the dealership. So when we are customer centric, when we take care of customer once he steps into the dealership and till the retail or the same treatment to a just inquired customer, this will definitely improve our retail business and customer experience with us. These are the two parameters where we succeed, where we can succeed, that will give the Diamond Club for our future.